On this episode of Resolve to Grow. Number 1. Pick the right location. Ideally, a sunny site. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sun a day. Some crops such as lettuce and spinach and other greens will grow well in your garden under a partially sunny spot, but the sun-loving plants like tomatoes and peppers need as much light as possible. Number 2. Keep it close to home. A location near your house will make it easier for you to tend and plot your garden regularly, and it will also make it convenient to run out and pick out what you need for a meal. Number 3. Only grow things your family likes to eat. There's no sense in spending all your time and energy and money growing things that you won't enjoy or that will go to waste. Browse our library growing guide. You can find a link down below to find the veggies that spark your eye. Number 4. Water needs to be available. Nothing burns out a beginning gardener faster than having to lug water to a thirsty plant during a heat wave. Consider investing in a quality hose with sprayer attachment, or, even better, a drip irrigation system. Number 5. Good soil is key to a successful garden. Plants depend on the soil for nutrients, stability, and drainage. To grow your best garden, start with well-drained, sandy loam and add as much organic matter as possible. For more tips on gardening and more, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips. Number 6. Amend your soil. Compost, leaf mold, or well-aged manure will increase the ability for your soil to both drain well and hold moisture, the sponge factor. However, never use fresh manure. It can harbor dangerous pathogens and will burn the tender plant roots. Compost for at least 6 to 12 months. Number 7. Seeds or plants. Most garden vegetables can be directly seeded where they are to grow. Lettuce, beans, carrots, beets, chard, spinach, peas, cucumbers, and squash. Things that take longer to produce an edible fruit do better with a head start. Purchase transplants for tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, and melons, or start your own indoors, but do that 6 to 8 weeks before planting them outside. Number 8. Choose varieties that will mature in your growing season. See the Almanac Planting Calendar. You can find a link for it down below for planting dates based on the first and last frost dates and the length of growing season in your area. Number 9. Keep your garden productive by staggering plantings of fast-maturing veggies such as beans and lettuce and replanting other areas where they are harvested. Don't plant all at once. And finally, number 10. Use raised gardens and containers if you don't have much space to work with. If you have impossibly rocky soil or solid clay, consider building some raised beds that you can fill with good soil. Growing vegetables in containers is another option. Alternatively, lay down large bags of potting soil in your sunniest location, poke drainage holes in the bottom, make some slits on the top, and pop in your transplants. Is this your year to resolve to grow? Share your thoughts with us in the comments down below.